Welcome to the Oligo News. A rare but serious disease, Guillain-Barré syndrome (GBS), has affected more than 100 people in Pune. Shockingly, 16 patients are currently on ventilators, and one person has lost their life in Solapur. Though there is no official statement yet, reports suggest that the patient who died was infected in Pune before traveling to Solapur. What is Guillain-Barré syndrome (GBS)? Guillain-Barré syndrome, or GBS, is a rare neurological disorder where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the nerves. This can lead to muscle weakness, numbness, and even paralysis. Experts say GBS is often triggered by viral or bacterial infections. It is not contagious, but it can develop after respiratory infections, stomach infections, or even after vaccination in very rare cases. The recent Guillain-Barré syndrome outbreak in Pune has created panic, with over 100 reported cases. The fact that 16 patients are on ventilators shows how serious this condition can be. Doctors are closely monitoring the situation, and hospitals are on high alert. The Maharashtra Health Department has yet to release an official statement, but medical experts urge people to stay aware and seek immediate medical help if they notice any symptoms. Symptoms of GBS can start with mild weakness but can quickly progress. The key symptoms include tingling or numbness. It usually starts in the hands and feet. Weakness in legs or arms, difficulty walking or lifting objects. Loss of reflexes, the body does not respond normally. Severe pain, muscle pain and cramps, especially at night. Difficulty in breathing. In severe cases, GBS can weaken the muscles that help in breathing. Rapid heartbeat and low blood pressure, the nervous system gets affected. Paralysis. In extreme cases, full body paralysis can occur. If you or anyone you know experiences these symptoms, immediate hospitalization is necessary. Early diagnosis can prevent severe complications. The exact cause of GBS is unknown, but researchers have found some common triggers. Viral and bacterial infections. Recent infections like COVID-19, influenza, or food poisoning Campylobacter bacteria have been linked to GBS. Post-vaccination reaction. Though very rare, some people develop GBS after vaccinations. Surgery or medical procedures. Some cases occur after major surgery. Autoimmune response. The body's immune system mistakenly attacks healthy nerve cells. Though the disease is not contagious, it is essential to be cautious, especially if you've had a recent infection. Is GBS dangerous? Yes, Guillain-Barré syndrome can be life-threatening, especially if it affects the respiratory system. Patients on ventilators struggle to breathe on their own. In some cases, the condition can lead to permanent nerve damage. However, most patients recover with proper treatment. The key is early diagnosis and medical intervention. There is no permanent cure for GBS, but early treatment can speed up recovery. The main treatments include plasma exchange plasmapheresis. This removes harmful antibodies from the blood. Intravenous immunoglobulin therapy (IVIG). This helps block the harmful immune attack. Physical therapy, essential for recovering muscle strength and movement. Ventilator support for patients who have difficulty breathing. Recovery can take weeks to months, and in severe cases, even years. But with proper medical care, most people regain mobility and function. Though there is no guaranteed way to prevent GBS, following these health measures can reduce the risk. Maintain good hygiene. Wash hands regularly to prevent infections. Avoid contaminated food and water. This helps prevent bacterial infections. Take vaccines with medical advice. If you have a history of immune disorders, consult your doctor before getting vaccinated. Boost immunity. A healthy diet and lifestyle can strengthen the immune system. Seek early treatment for infections. Don't ignore flu, cough, or diarrhea, as they can sometimes trigger GBS. The Guillain-Barré syndrome cases in Pune and Maharashtra are alarming, but awareness and early treatment can save lives. If you experience any weakness, numbness, or breathing difficulty, consult a doctor immediately. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about GBS or other health issues. We will continue to bring you the latest health news and updates. Stay informed, stay safe. Thank you for your valuable time.